Alright, so first thing you do when you're setting up a new project, always set your project. So create a new project. I already did this, but you just create a new project, name it whatever you want, set it to wherever you want to go, hit defaults and accept. And then to start this off, you're going to take, this is going to be my reference image right here for this project. I mean, like, usually if I was doing something and I like hand drew it, you would have to you'd have to use, like, you know, it'd be good to have like a front view, a side view, a top view, maybe a rear view, just to get all the angles. But I'm basically just going to use this side view and just make everything else up as I go. First thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure this is a square. This just happens to already be a square, but you know, if you wanted to change that, you just bump the canvas size up a little bit. But mine already is a square, so I'm just going to leave it. Then you'd save it as I guess I could just do a JPEG, and then you'd save it in your project folder. Mine would be, where did I put him? Oh, there he is. Camel dude thing. You'd put it under source images. Then you come into Maya, and what I'm going to do is I'll actually show you how you'd set up, like, if I was going to use multiple reference images. But if you were going to set up your reference images, you'd always come in here and make a plane. I'm going to turn this on so you can see it. You go into the attribute editor and you take it down to 1 by 1 divisions, so it's like a flat plane like that with no divisions. And then, so let's say I was just going to throw my image on here, or if I was going to use this as my reference image for the side, this would be my front view. So I'd rotate it in the Z 90 degrees, so it's up like that, and then push off to the side a little bit. And I guess I could make it my front view since I'm just using one, but for just to show you, this would be your side view, one of your side views. This would be another side view. Oh, I duplicated that by hitting Control D. Here, I'll show you. So Control D duplicates. Then we throw it around that direction, another 90 degrees, and that would be, that'd be like the left side view. This would actually be your front view. This would be the right side view, and if you had a rear view, that would be your rear view. Bottom would be under here, top would be up here, or top would be down there, bottom would be up here, of course. But see how, if you notice, you can't really see what's going on because of the box, because they're all, like, you can see them all. Well, to fix that, you would come in here, you'd come into the attribute editor, and you'd go into, where is it, render stats, and you would uncheck every single one of these, and if it's still showing, you would hit opposite and see how it disappears, but it's still there on that side. Woo. And then you come in here and do the same for the rest. It's not there anymore. So that way you actually get a full box view while none of them get in your actual viewing plane. But for now, what the fuck? But since I'm only using one reference image, I don't need all these. I just delete all these, and I can just... Actually, let me show you one more thing. Before I delete all those, if you wanted to make it so you don't touch these at all, like you could be like modeling up in here, so you're modeling on something on here, and then you go to grab it and you accidentally grab this and it highlights that. Well, you don't really want that, so you add it to a new layer, and then you check this box, or not the visibility box, but you check this until it's on the R, and then with the R you can't do anything, you can't grab them or anything, they're just in place. And that is that. But for this, I'm only going to need one reference image. Or, shit, you know what, I should delete a different one. I'll just keep the front like that. And that is that. Now the next, alright, I'm gonna pause that there. Actually, no, I'll keep going. And the next thing I'm gonna show you is how to make a modeling shader. I already have one. Made. Actually, I think mine's fucked up. But basically, what a modeling shader is it's a shader that you make yourself, and then you're able to. Here, I'll just make it and show you. Alright, so to make a modeling shader, I'm just gonna create this box just so I can see. Window, go into my Hypershade. And then I'm going to create a new Phong. And I'm going to name that. Actually, first, before I do anything else, I'm going to delete that again. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to edit, delete all by type, and I'm going to hit history and delete all my history, because that is going to fuck with what I'm going to do. So I'm going to come here, make a new Phong, name it modeling shader. And then I'm going to come in here and play with the color a little bit. Make it a little bit brighter. Where is reflectivity? I'm turning reflectivity a little bit down. And that is that. Alright, and then I'm going to go into this is my custom bar tab that I made and added just basic tools that I wanted to. I'll show you how to do that too. But for now, I'm going to go into the script editor, which I cannot find for the life of me right now. Script editor. And then everything in the script editor is like all my history, which I do not know why all that shit is in there, because it shouldn't be. Alright, I'm going to take all this history, this is all the history that I used to create my modeling shader, and I'm going to middle mouse, actually, get this shit out of here. I'm going to middle mouse drag this down here, like the middle mouse button, grab and drag, and this will be all my history for that. And then from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight all that, and then middle mouse drag to the bar. And that'll actually give me a hotkey to where I can create this shader by itself. And let's say I delete that, watch, hit that, and it, god damn it! I was supposed to name it. It created the same exact shader, but it was supposed to name it modeling shader. It's actually named Phong 3. I don't know, it fucked up a little bit. But from there, to create the other hotkeys that I need, I'm gonna come in here and I'm going to delete all my history again. Edit, delete by type, history. Go in here, edit, clear history, delete everything out of here, make sure that's all empty, and then come in here and I'm going to take this and make it almost transparent, but not all the way. And then I'm going to take this, middle mouse drag again down here, highlight this, and middle mouse drag to the button. And then I'm going to go and make it untransparent again. And then get rid of that. Middle mouse drag this. And put it up there. Alright, now what that's going to do is this one will create my shader. This one will make it transparent, and this one will make it back to normal. So, let's say I was modeling, and I'm going to assign the shader by highlighting. Let's say I wanted to assign the shader to this object. I would click Assign Existing Material, Phong3, because that's what it's called. And it should have assigned Phong3 to it. Yeah, it did. Okay. And then see, this one makes it transparent or semi-transparent, and this one brings it back to fully shaded in. And to edit the names of those, just so you can actually read them, you can go to the shelf editor. These three buttons are the ones. I could change the name to modeling, shader, and then I can come into icon label and just do modeling. I can come into this one, change the name to parent, change this label to god damn, why does it keep doing that to me? Trans, and change this one to solid. And then hit save all shelves and see. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna pause this video. Or stop this video. Let's start a new one. I think that's really all for setting up, except for I'll show you how to set up the thing in the next video.